One of the biggest mistakes that a student can make in the college search is to fall in love with a school very early in the process. Walking on the first campus and thinking, wow, this place is really fantastic. I could really love it here. Come on, you're going to lose all that objectivity because there are over 4,000 colleges out there, and there's at least a couple of hundred where you could be happy. It's sort of like what you want to do is be like the guy who has been told by 10 girls in his class, and they're all gorgeous. They want to go to the prom with him, but he has to break the hearts of 9 to make his selection, so he's happy with whatever choice he makes. That's why I have all of my students make sure that their 10 colleges that they choose to apply to are all first-choice colleges, so they have a tough choice to make come April of their senior year. So I wish you luck on selecting your colleges. I'm Paul Hemphill.